Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the RAEGR cases for the AirPods, and I'll also be doing a giveaway of 2 of them. So guys, here are the cases. Well, the boxes. There are 2 different models. First we have the Breeze series case, where the cases are made of soft silicone material. It's available in 3 colors, red, white and black, and we have the red and white colors with us right now. Next we have the Ripple series case, where the case is made of hard silicone material. It's more like a hard bumper case. It's available in 3 colors, black, red and blue, and we have the black color with us right now. Now let's have a quick unboxing. First I'll start with the Breeze series case. Box packaging is pretty simple. They just have the RAEGR branding and brag about complete protection, reliability and easy access charging. On the box these cases are priced at 1299 rupees. But right now they are being sold at 799 rupees on Amazon and GreedyTech website. Now here's my AirPods case. It's the newer 2019 version with wireless charging support. Now back to the unboxing. Here's the Red Breeze series case. It's a 2-piece case made of super thin silicone material. Let's open the next one. It's a Ripple series case. Once again, box packaging is pretty similar to the previous case. On box it's priced at 1299 but sold at 799 rupees on GreedyTech and Amazon.in. It's a hard silicone case with a smooth finish and also has a keychain hook inside the case. I'm gonna try them later. So for now, let's check the last box, which has the white Breeze case. By the way guys, you can get an additional 10% discount if you buy it on GreedyTech website, and if your total cart value is more than 1000 rupees, if you use the RAEGR coupon code. So guys, these are the cases. Let me first try the Red Breeze case. It has 2 parts or 2 cases, one for the body and one for the lid, and there's nothing connecting them like with the Ripple case. It's pretty easy to put it on, but it doesn't fit perfectly. It's uneven and doesn't look symmetric. Initially I thought it was a defective piece, but it wasn't. After a lot of tinkering and readjusting, I got it to fit almost perfectly. It has a smooth velvet feel to it and it is super sleek. It also has a flap at the bottom to protect the charging port from dust and hopefully some water as well. Now this case weighs just 6 grams, so it doesn't add any weight to the case. Even the charging LED is slightly visible. There's no indication for the button, but it is easy to press as the case is super thin. Everything is the same even with the white case, except the LED light is more visible on this one. Both cases officially support wireless charging as well, and here's a quick preview. Now back to the Ripple case. Even this case is pretty easy to put on. Just slide it in and close the lid cover and we are done. This case is kinda thick. It weighs 11 grams without the keychain hook. It has a smooth surface but a hard feel to it. More like a hard bumper case. When compared to the previous Breeze series case, this one has a hard surface and doesn't offer much grip. It has a flat surface at the bottom which allows you to leave the case in a standing position, but there's no flap for the charging port like the Breeze series case. Now the major con with this case is the button placement. This case has been specifically made for the first generation AirPods that were released in 2016. You can use them with the second generation AirPods that's released in 2019, but the button placement is wrong, and even if you can find it, it is very hard to press. Officially this case is not compatible with wireless charging, but I have tested it and wireless charging still works. It is probably slower because of the gap between the case and the charging pad. So guys, these are the cases. I would personally go with the Breeze series case. Black is cool, but it's pretty hard to find it on my table. White is even cooler, but will get dirty pretty soon, so I'll stick with the red one. Now to participate in the giveaway, just open the link in the description, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that's it. We will select the winners in a week and let you know on Twitter, Instagram and by commenting below this video. So guys, if you want to know more about these products, links for that are in the description, do check them out. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.